Hi, welcome to this week's portfolio update. This week portfolio is 8.2k. Overall, it's on positive 0.42% and earned dividends is 681 lifetime. So this is the first time like we crossed 1 year. We started December 4th. Right now it's 1 year and we are seeing like 8.25k, 22k in the portfolio. Going to weekly gain. Weekly, it was on downside like 0.18%. Market gain 23 point negative 23.09 and dividends is 8.3. We go to the liability. Tesla. I invested $1,000. Right now it's 1,032. We see Tesla average price is 236.24. Right now it's 243.84. How for TSLY? It again went down, so it declared a good dividend this month. 0.6%, zero point 0.6 for a dollar. So right now it's 8.96. So once the dividends comes, it might be around $930 if it stays the current price. Other than that, not much change in the portfolio. Go to the activity last week. So there was a bill generator 12.22. So for the borrowed amount, so that was added to the credit. They took 12.22 extra credit, but that's okay as we are paying down the debt. JP received a dividend 11.55. It is increased. Dividend has increased this month. All the 11.55 it went to MA or long term real estate share ADF. Then I received TLTW dividend 8.24. That also it's on the high. Last time it was 7 point something. So on top of that, I deposited the $63. Out of that, Friday I invested $31 to TSLY. So that's only change with the trading, like added TSLY $31. Again, Friday I deposited $22. So next week, this week, Monday, I'd be investing $11 out of that. Going to our best performing shares. Costco still leads the pack. Average cost increased to 521 as I invested the dividend that I received from QLD. Overall, the cost basis is 78.42. Right now, the value is 91.78. So 17.04 percentage. If you go to Costco, yeah, it reached 610. So it crossed the $600 mark. Gen Digital is the second best performing share. Average price is 20.4, and right now it's 24.62. So around 8.6 percentage increase. Disney, I invested $16. That's only a less amount. However, the Disney declared the dividend, semi-annual dividend. That's why now dividend. Disney is on the high. Average share price is 85. Right now it's $90, around $90. If you go to the worst performing three shares, TLTW again 15.82 on the negative side. Cost basis is 475.38. Right now it's 400. 400. Average share price 33. Right now it's 28. TSLY still 13.46 added is the average price. However, it shows like 11.39. So cost basis 2.5 and value is 2.1. Third worst performing is MA 136.2. So I invested $67. Right now it's 63, 6.66 percentage down. And EPD also, EPD was the best performing share for few weeks. Right now it came down. Average share price was 26.72. Right now it's 26.33. So okay, very marginal, but it's on the negative side. DSLY last week last last week they declared the dividend. Last month they paid 0.58. Right now it increased to 0.66. Point 0.6. It will be paid on December 13th. It's a 3% increase. Cornerstone, they also will be paying dividend 0.1173. So that will be paid. Pay date is on December 29th. APLY, they also increased the dividend. So it's a huge increase, around 169%. Last month it was 0.17. This month it's 0.46. So it's around 40 to 50% dividend, annual dividend. And it's also paid on December 13th. Going to the fire calculation Excel sheet. Calculation, my plan was $5,000 to retire safely on January 1st, 2022. And right now, the monthly target was around 2 years. Now it's 5299, so it will be around 5,300 per month after December. So it's 5299.29. Right now, the monthly dividend, as per the calculation, it's 184.85. And last week it was my fired date was 2192 February 19th. This week it reduced to 2191 August 2022. So I saved around 181 days, and at that time I'd be receiving a monthly dividend of 813k, and my age would be 206. So this is the first time I can retire around 206. Previously my financial retire age was 207 was the minimum. Right now it came down to 206. Annual dividend, it's 2218.2 based on the 12, and with the trailing last payment for each of the stocks, it's 161 as per the calculation. So this is the average one. Going to each pie, Verizon, my expectation is $35. Right now it's 23.4. TLTW and TSLY is the stock. Netflix, my expectation was $15. It exceeds expectations, 35.33. Two stocks, Gen and TSLY. Xfinity, $18, 25.52. Costco, membership, so I'm expecting a gold membership for $60. So monthly average is $5. And I'm earning 6.56 from this pie. Costco itself is contributing 5 cents per month. Next is car wash. Car wash is $10, and JP is the main one, and MA is the long term. So right now it's 11.96. It also increased. Vehicle subscription 23.67, with the long term Sherlin contributing 0.13. It's $25. Liability, TSLY only paying it's 55.69. Tesla doesn't pay any dividend. My long term Disney, it's paying 0.3 on January 10th. So at that time, the extra amount will be reflected, dividend amount will be reflected. And I took $100 debt and put in APLY, AGNC, and CRF. Right now, as per the calculation, it should pay 1.32, and monthly dividend I had to pay is around 0.6.7. So it exceeds that. That's how this debt is calculated. So if I can pay more than zero point 0.7 per month, whatever I took should be fine. I can keep on this as a long term debt, keep on adding. taking more debt and investing into these kind of shares. And on to the yield on cost of the entire portfolio, it's 28.828. Expectation is 5%, so it's more than too much leverage. I have 27.8k. I invested total cost, and right now the portfolio is 8.1 because market is on so much on the high. So around 8.1k. That's it for the week. Thank you.